Hey, I'm Alice from House of Travel. We're a UK-based travel agency specialising in Walt Disney World and Universal holidays over in Florida. Today I'm going to be answering the question, can you take food into Disney World? The short answer is yes, you can. Disney World allows you to bring in picnics, snacks, drinks, bottled water, refillable cups, anything is regular Disney food essentially. Snacks, drinks, meals, food. So if you have a child who has a preference due to autism or ADHD, or if you have a child who is a picky eater and just prefers a particular snack or meal, you are able to take that into Disney World. When you enter, they do check your bags, so they will have a look at all of your snacks and drinks, and they'll let you know if there is anything that you're not able to take in. But as far as we're concerned, there is no kind of exceptions to the rule. There isn't any availability to heat things up, so just bear in mind that the best things to take in are sandwiches made from home, snacks, fruit, crisps or chips, anything like that is easily transportable and that you can take in without needing to prepare it. Of course, if you didn't want to take food in and you were worried about the availability of food at Disney World, don't worry, there is so much availability of food at Disney World. There are snack carts, there are full-scale restaurants, there are quick service restaurants, which is a takeaway. There are so many options when it comes to Disney World dining, in the parks, at the resorts, at Disney Springs, but if you prefer to take food in, then you can. And that's all we've got to say on that today. Thanks so much for watching. As a free gift, we put together an exclusive Walt Disney World guide, which is packed with over 30 pages of tips, tricks and hacks, so you can get the most out of your Walt Disney World holiday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again real soon.